sold my Trans Am. That was actually my brother's car that I just fixed up and sold. I played with it for a little while, had some fun with it. But this is a car that I bought about a year ago for myself, and I haven't really done much with it because I've been messing with other things. But I want to start cleaning it up some. Some of the sportier models, this thing had a lot of decals on it, emblems and stuff. That went there. I had these two down here. I had the strip in the middle. I had the chrome trim on the wheel well, kind of like this. I took the chrome trim off. I think that looks a lot cleaner and sportier. Like the Grand National, some of the sportier models, they didn't have all that on there. I think they'd make them look better. So I'm taking that stuff off. I popped the emblems off, but I'm stuck with this kind of nasty, crusty, rubbery stuff. I want to get that off. So I'm gonna try. I got this wheel here, like a racer wheel, put on a drill. Supposedly it doesn't hurt your paint any. So I'm gonna try it out and we'll see how things go. I want to take off this pinstripe too, and then eventually I want to take all the chrome trim and make that black instead, kind of like a T-type would be or something. So I'm gonna plug in this drill and see what I can do. We'll start here on this one. For some reason this one's a lot harder. I got some of this decal and adhesive remover. Lifts decals and adhesive residue from automotive finishes. So I'm gonna put some of that on there. Maybe it'll like soften it up and make it so I can get it off easier, because that wheel don't really seem like it's touching it. It's made for automotive finishes, so hopefully it won't hurt anything. I'm gonna go up and try some of this other spots over here. This don't work nearly as good as everybody says it does. Put some stuff on there too, I guess. So move on to my strip on my door and stuff. Pretty good on this one. That worked pretty good. I wish they were all work like that. All right, so I got this whole strip here. Looks pretty good. I might have to, there's a little something left there. I didn't want to push real hard and like burn the paint or something, but it took me a little while to do this, so hopefully those emblems back there kind of got soaked in a little bit. Go ahead and try it again and see what happens. Working a little better. Yeah, stuff's definitely helping. Go ahead and try to get this pinstripe off. So it's not all the way cleaned up yet, but it looks pretty good. So I think the eraser wheel worked pretty good. I think he used some kind of like, I don't know, if it was like weather strip adhesive or what. It was like this yellow glue that messed the paint up. and it made it hard to get that adhesive off. But the rest of it came off pretty good. I still got to do a little more to it, but that's pretty much the gist of it. So hopefully this helped you guys out. In case you were thinking about doing this, it turned out pretty good. Like I said, I think for most cars it worked good if they didn't have some weird stuff going on. But I think next I'm going to do a little bit of interior work. I'm going to change my steering wheel. I'm going to modify my seat and try to get a center console to fit in this car. So check back later, and I'll catch you guys next time.